Northern bedstraw, also known as Calum boreal, is a perennial herbaceous plant that is native to North America. It is a member of the Rubiaceae family and is commonly found in moist, wooded areas, along streams and in wetlands. Northern bedstraw is a great addition to any garden or landscape due to its beautiful foliage and fragrant flowers. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to grow and care for northern bedstraw. Growing northern bedstraw. Northern bedstraw is an easy-to-grow plant that requires minimal attention. It prefers a well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. It also prefers a partially shaded location, but it can tolerate full sun as well. The plant is typically propagated by seed, which can be sown directly in the garden in the spring or fall. To start growing northern bedstraw, prepare the soil by removing any weeds or debris. Add compost or other organic matter to the soil to improve its texture and fertility. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil moist until the seeds germinate, which typically takes about 2 to 4 weeks. Thin the seedlings to about 6 inches apart once they have 2 or 3 sets of leaves. If you prefer to start northern bedstraw indoors, sow the seeds in pots or trays about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Keep the soil moist and provide plenty of light. Once the seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves, transplant them to their permanent location in the garden. Caring for northern bedstraw. Once established, northern bedstraw requires minimal care. It is a low-maintenance plant that is resistant to most pests and diseases. However, there are a few things you can do to ensure your plant thrives. Watering. Northern bedstraw prefers moist soil but can tolerate periods of drought. Water the plant deeply once a week during dry spells, and be sure to water the soil and not the leaves. Fertilizing. Northern bedstraw does not require frequent fertilization, but you can add a slow-release, all-purpose fertilizer in the spring to encourage healthy growth. Propagation. Northern bedstraw can be propagated by seed or division. To propagate by division, dig up the plant in the spring or fall and separate the root ball into smaller sections. Replant the sections in well-draining soil. Conclusion. Northern bedstraw is a beautiful and easy-to-grow plant that is perfect for adding color and texture to your garden. With minimal care, this plant will thrive in a variety of conditions and provide years of enjoyment. Whether you choose to grow northern bedstraw from seed or division, be sure to provide it with a well-draining soil, partial shade, and regular water.